Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a fish that's often seen as the king of the whitefish world. You've probably seen it on a fancy restaurant menu or at the seafood counter, sold in thick, pristine fillets. But what exactly is halibut? It might look a little strange, but this fish is a true culinary masterpiece, and its story is as interesting as its delicious taste. Halibut is a type of flatfish, which means it has a flattened, diamond-shaped body and both of its eyes are on the same side of its head. This isn't how they start out, though. When they hatch, they look like any other fish, but as they grow, one eye actually migrates to the other side of their head. This allows them to lie on the seafloor, with their dark, mottled topside blending in with the sand or mud, while they keep a lookout with both eyes for their next meal. They are truly masters of camouflage. But what really sets halibut apart is its massive size. They are the largest of all the flatfish, with some species, like the Pacific and Atlantic halibut, growing to enormous sizes. It's not uncommon for them to weigh hundreds of pounds and live for decades. Because they are a top predator in their cold-water habitats, they have a firm, lean, and very meaty flesh. This makes them a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. From a culinary perspective, halibut is prized for its mild, delicate flavor and its firm, flaky texture. It doesn't have a strong fishy taste, which makes it incredibly versatile and a great option for people who are just starting to explore seafood. Its texture holds up beautifully to a variety of cooking methods, so you can grill it, pan-sear it, bake it, or even poach it, and it won't fall apart. You can keep it simple with a little lemon and herbs, or you can pair it with more complex sauces and spices. Beyond its delicious taste and texture, halibut is also a fantastic source of nutrients. It's incredibly high in protein, which is essential for muscle repair and a feeling of fullness. It's also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart and brain health, and it's rich in minerals like potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. So, the next time you see a beautiful halibut fillet, you'll know you're not just getting a tasty meal, but a nutritional powerhouse from the depths of the ocean.